Okay, let's find the mode by using the Excel. So we have the data, and down here we're going to press equal sign. The syntax is supposed to be equal, so the command is going to be taken. So I'm going to just press MO. So MO is going to give me nice enough mode. So I can just click this one here, and of course highlight, release, and close the parentheses, enter. Notice that I don't have any number repeating, so this is like single time it pops up, so therefore there is no mode here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put this one as a 2 here. So let's take a look what is happening here. Oh, right here it shows me 2 here, so that is 2. Now this is 2 2, so what is happening if I have another? This is 6. Do I have multi-mode? Let's put down 6 here. Let's take a look, enter. There is a problem. So if we use the mode just like that, it doesn't give us actually what we're supposed to actually. We're supposed to get 2 modes. So I'm going to press equal and MOD. Mode, there is a single mode, there is a multi-mode. So if I click on multi-mode, let's take a look what happened. Hold, release, and of course close parentheses, enter. 6 and 2, both mode is coming down here. Remember, it's coming in a column. So let's take a look into another example down here. So this is the example, and I'm going to look for mode here, and let me see how many different mode I have here. MOD mode, multi-mode. We should always use multi-mode. This one down here, multi. Again, I'm going to show you which one to use. So press equal sign, MODE. There is a bunch of them actually. So this is a mode. Is going to give you only a single mode actually, regardless of any, first one is going to give you first mode. If you use the single one, still is going to give you the first one. Now the multi-mode, if you do have many mode, is going to give you that. So well, let's hold it, drag, release, and close parentheses, enter. Notice that I do have actually down here both 8 and 4, so both of them coming up right in a column actually. Remember, this is our answer mode. This is a multi-mode bimodal actually. Both 8 and 4 is our mode. So what are we going to use again? We are going to use this one, multi-mode, mode.mult, multi-mode. That will give us the mode for the data set. Doesn't matter how many different modes we have, we can still get it. Thank you.